Hello all, welcome to YSpeakOn. What do you do when you get hiccups? Hold your breath and swallow 3 times? Drink a glass of water quickly? Or swallow a teaspoon of sugar? How long do you have hiccups? 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 hour max? What if I say a person had hiccups throughout his lifetime and it stopped a day before his death? Well, let's get into the video to find about him. Charles Osborne had the hiccups non-stop for approximately 68 years from 1922 to 1990. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the longest bout of hiccups ever recorded. His hiccups first started in 1922 while weighing a male pig for slaughter. When he picked it up for slaughter, he immediately fell down. Then he went to the doctor who said that a blood vessel which was the size of a pin in his brain is damaged and that he had a part of his brain damaged that triggers the hiccup response. In his life throughout, he was forced to start grinding any food he ate in a blender due to the fact that it was hard for the food to reach his stomach between the hiccups. Eventually, he learned to suppress most of the noise of a typical hiccup by breathing methodically between the hiccups, which was a technique taught to him by the doctors. In the beginning, Osborne's hiccups occurred at a rate of around 40 times per minute on an average. Throughout his life, this gradually slowed to about 20 hiccups per minute until they finally stopped mysteriously about 1 year before his death in 1991. It is estimated that he hiccuped over 430 million times in his lifetime. The total number of years of his life he had the hiccups was about 68 years. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give your valuable comments, likes and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.